Why will you learn to play chess? Why will you learn to play chess? I will enhance my strategic thinking. I will enhance my strategic thinking. When will you start a blog about your passion? When will you start a blog about your passion? I will launch it next month. I will launch it next month. How will you handle cultural difference when traveling? How will you handle cultural difference when traveling? I will respect and adapt. I will respect and adapt. What will you do to overcome procrastination? I will break tasks into a smaller steps. I will break tasks into a smaller steps. Why will you start a fitness challenge? Why will you start a fitness challenge? I will improve my health and fitness. I will improve my health and fitness. When will you learn to ride a bike? When will you learn to ride a bike? I will take lesson in the summer. I will take lesson in the summer. How will you express your activity? How will you express your activity? I will engage in artistic activities. I will engage in artistic activities. Will you participate in a charity run? Will you participate in a charity run? Yes, I will support a good cause. Yes, I will support a good cause. What will you do if you forget your phone at home? What will you do if you forget your phone at home? I will manage without it for the day. I will manage without it for the day. Why will you practice gratitude daily? Why will you practice gratitude daily? I will focus on positive aspects of life. I will focus on positive aspects of life. When will you learn to a skill? When will you learn to a skill? I will take lesson next winter. I will take lesson next winter. How will you stay connected with friends and family? How will you stay connected with friends and family? I will call and video chat regularly. I will call and video chat regularly. Will you learn to juggle? Will you learn to juggle? Yes, I will pick up juggling as a skill. Yes, I will pick up. What will you do if you encounter a difficult word in English? What will you do if you encounter a difficult word in English? I will look it up in the dictionary. I will look it up in the dictionary. Why will you practice deep exercise? Why? Why will you practice deep exercise? I will reduce stress and promote relaxation. I will reduce stress and promote relaxation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.